Pretty little black skin girl. Oh, yeah. Pretty little diamond ring. Oh, Caribbean beauty.
Hello my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl dipped in chocolate. So this video is basically going to be a week in the life of a workaholic. So workaholic is a person who is always working, who has minimal time to play in terms of anything to do with entertainment or enjoyment. So I have been working a lot these past few months and I want you guys to see what I've been doing. So this is part one because I'm working on a house. So when the house is almost finished, I'm going to show you guys the rest of the video. But for now, I want you guys to be updated on what I'm doing because I know I haven't been as consistent as I should be. But I just want you guys to know what I've been doing and what has been keeping up my time and why I have not been posting as usual. So this is just a little update video on my life. Alright, so you guys don't know what to do, please like, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when your girl Dipped in Chocolate uploads another video. So let's go. So first I head to my first job. So I wake up at about 7 o'clock and I get there by 8 o'clock. Today I will be just drilling in some screws into a deck to frame it up. Yeah. This looks small. This looks a little bit too small. So hey guys. Well, you guys are not gonna see my face. But hey guys, this is just such a bad angle. But I'm doing some drilling. And I want you guys to, see what I'm doing. See that I'm working like Portia. I don't know why I can't find the right drill bit. Oh, this is a good one. So I go like this. I have the drill. I put in the screw, and then I go like this. Yeah. Alright. So guys, let's see if it works. Let's see if this damn thing works. Cause it's been giving me problems. It's been giving me problems. It's in reverse. It worked. Alright guys, so I'm doing an old deck. I painted over there. Painted the house. I sand down the house. So I'm going to paint this section I paint down here. I'm going to give it a second coat when the deck is finished. Over here was painted, but it's going to get a second coat. We're going to fix up this house, guys. And so this will be part one. I'm going to show you some other stuffs. So yeah, I have been working super duper hard because everything that I want is mad expensive. So the only way to get what I want is to work super hard. So yeah, I was listening to a popcorn song the other day and it really touched me. I really felt the song, and I don't know if you guys know. I think it's popular in Jamaica right now. Zero man I come from, but look by me no. Look by me no. Yeah, I love that song so much. So yeah, the place is mad cold. It's really really cold, but I have to be out here from like 7 o'clock or so working on this deck. I usually have on gloves, but the gloves are mad uncomfortable, so I take them off. They're really uncomfortable, so I have to take them off. So right now I'm just drilling in some structure for the deck because you know, this is like the base of the deck, right? So I'm just making sure that the deck is well secure by drilling in some screws and putting in all these patches in it. Yeah. Guys, because I have to be bending my back a lot, my back is hurting me a lot. Like, I have some wicked back pain. I literally just took an ibuprofen because my back is hurting. I just took some ibuprofen because my back was hurting me. Yeah, show you guys what I've been doing. So all of these to secure the deck. Painted all of those over there. Painted all of these. Painted this. It's don't finish as yet. I'm gonna finish off soon, but maybe with a different color. All of my tools over here. So this is a clip earlier this week of me walking in the lawn. So yeah.
Me. You see when you see the doll? Don't rush the doll. No. Don't beg the doll. Don't beg the doll. The doll here working. You're working hard. Very hard. No, let's see the party, bro. For this stuff, though. The doll is working. Work doll. I'm busy. You're busy. Busy as a bee. Busy as a bee. Busy as a bee, doll.
So guys, remember when I told you that my bicycle wants to be sprayed and it wants renovation? Well, today me and Miss Annie will be renovating it because let me tell you, it ain't ready for the dolly, right? So let's go. After, yeah.
It's not on. It's not on. It's all clear. It's on now. Still on. Still on. So I was using that little device to check if electricity was in the wires, and after trying and trying, we turned the right switch. Yeah. So now I'm drilling a boards together, like a 2x4 and a plyboard together to make shelves in somebody's basement.
And then I stuck the two.
So guys, I told you guys that this is part 1. So this is a before look of how the basement look, before the shelves, before a complete cleanup. And in part 2, I will be showing you guys how we transformed. I also built those 2 shelves over there. So yeah, that is, just a preview. Alright, so these boards were painted by me, and also I painted the black stuffs on them because those will be going into the ground to make fences around the house. Yes, that'll come a foreign and learn to drive and all of that. So I have been doing some driving lessons, and I think I've been doing pretty well. When I come back to Jamaica, I have to, it's gonna be kind of difficult because here we drive on the right side of the road, and in Jamaica they drive on the left side. So when I was driving, I'm driving on the left side of the road because I'm used to driving on the left side in Jamaica. I don't really drive in Jamaica, but whenever I get the opportunity to go behind the steering, I drive on the left side. So yeah, so it's gonna be kind of difficult when I do go back, because I am actually learning to drive on the American road. So I hope it's not really difficult when I do get back. But that's been such a beautiful experience. I love Jeeps, and just imagine I'm learning to drive in a Jeep, so that is really cool.
Like when I was like maybe 8 or so, the dog bit me. I was like, oh, not gonna let the dog bite me again. Well, it did bite me again.
Oh.
It did bite me again.
But he's not gonna do it again.
Again, yeah, the third time's a charm.
Oh yeah.
So I'm like, no, I'm not gonna let that happen. Yeah.
Oh, we're back on the road. Okay, we're gonna swap.
Right,
Yeah,
so that's it for today, folks. I hope you guys enjoy what I've been doing, and you guys can comment down below. I also need some video suggestions because I think I'm kind of running out on things to do, because the things that I usually do in Jamaica, it's kind of expensive to do here, and I'm trying to save my money. Right, so if you guys want to see anything, I'm on the J1 program, so if you guys want me to do an interview with other cultures, other persons from different countries, you can comment down below and I will do it for you guys. Also, just continue sharing my stuff, just continue liking, commenting, leaving your supportive comments. You can leave critiques also, because not all comments will be good. Like, some comments can be encouraging but have critiques in terms of you telling me that, oh, you could do this way, this would be better, and I have done it this way and it have worked out for me, but so you can maybe try it. Yeah, respectful critiques, I would respect those. So you guys just continue loving yourself, big up on yourself all the time, every time, and I will try to be as consistent as possible. But without further ado, love you guys and bye. Thanks for watching.